What's going on, guys? Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about my 6 tips for maintaining an awesome beard. These are 6 tips I found along my beard journey to help my beard looking good. Maybe you've heard them before, maybe not, but hopefully they'll help you to also have an awesome beard. Here they are. Number 1, overbrushing your beard. This is something that I ran into very early on. I got pretty excited when I had some hair growing on my face, so every opportunity I had, I was in front of the mirror brushing my beard. Because I heard that by brushing your beard, you could kind of coax it in the direction that you wanted to go. That's true, but you do not want to overbrush your beard. What that can do is pull the hairs out of your face and cause you to shed a little bit more than necessary. If you're going to brush your beard, you don't have to do it that much, just enough to get it in place. But overbrushing your beard is number 1. Like I said, it'll cause you to shed the hairs a little bit more. And number 2, it can also cause split ends. I noticed once I stopped doing that, my split ends disappeared. Number 2, use beard balm or beard oil. It's very important to keep your beard moisturized. You don't want to have your beard dry. Sometimes I've neglected this in the past, and that can also lead to breakage. So just make sure you're either using beard oil or beard balm on your beard to keep it looking good, and those products will also help to condition and soften your beard. Number 3, find a good barber. It's gonna take a little bit of time to find a barber that cuts your beard exactly the way you want it cut. So don't get discouraged, just keep going out there and finding them. Once you do finally find that barber, just take note of what he does. So later on, it could help you when you want to trim your beard on your own. Number 4, learn how to groom your beard on your own. You never know when you're not gonna have access to a barber, so it's very important to pick up some skills so you can groom your beard on your own. You can get these skills from the Beardbrand channel. There are tons of videos on there of the barbers giving trims to beards, and you can also learn some skills from your barber. So it's very important to pick this up. Number 5, have the right tools handy. A couple of us on the channel have spoken about the importance of having a beard go bag. You can have it in your car, have it at your job. So anytime you need to make some minor adjustments, you always have those tools handy. At a minimum, you should have beard oil and your beard comb. Number 6, improve your beard awareness. What I mean by that is recognizing the situations which will potentially mess up your beard. I know for me, anytime I look down, looking at my phone or I'm reading a book, my beard, I bring my head back up, my beard will kind of flip up like this. So I've gotten in the habit of, after I'm done looking at what I'm looking at, when I bring my head up, I just pass my hand over my beard a couple times and it's fine. Another thing that happens too is anytime I'm eating, I'm making sure that when I'm done eating, either I take out my phone or I look in a mirror to see if I have any food in my beard. So just start to recognize the situations that would have the potential to mess up your beard and just be prepared to have an action plan to take care of it. That's all I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything I spoke about today, or you have some tips of your own that you use to keep your beard looking good, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you then.
Hey, I'm Mark. Beardbrand Products and the Beardbrand Mission both not only help me care for my beard in a way that is just unmatched by any other company, any other product, but they've really helped me kind of wear my beard and present it to the world in a way that, honestly, for the first time in my life, like, kind of makes me feel kind of handsome. You know, sometimes, but